And then feel how squishy his foot is. What the heck? What the...
We touched a huge one!
So we have an update. Charlie got lost. We found him. Broke both e-bikes. Ended up getting everything back to the truck. The boys did awesome. And now we are going to go see about filling 2 antelope license and a turkey license for this guy right here. How cool is that? And it is snowing. What do you think, guys?
This is gonna be fun.
Fun!
What are we doing?
Turkey hunting.
What do you think, Camden?
Gonna go get,
Awesome.
We're looking for a turkey?
Yeah.
What do you think, Grandpa?
gonna go get CJ's first turkey. He's got a turkey license. Pretty exciting.
So we are headed out to try and find a turkey.
Do you think?
And
CJ can
hopefully-
get this turkey with a gun.
Yes.
Thanks, Camden.
How many steps?
Find 2.
Okay, what do we do?
Find turkey, kill turkey. I was waiting for you to answer, Camden.
What are you doing? What are we doing?
Turkey hunting.
We're turkey
Freezing our butts off. I hope if I get one, I hope it tastes good for all the work we've had to do.
Are you going or what are we doing?
I'm waiting for you to start walking. But I guess I'm the hunter, so I'll start. I'm really excited to get my first turkey. That's why I want to do that. I'm really excited.
Hopefully we can find one.
Yeah. Well, we found turkeys. We just can't kill turkeys, right?
Yeah, because they're not on the right land.
Yeah. I think I see a turkey.
No turkey.
Dead bush. Yeah, the turkeys aren't even in that area.
Well, that's what Grandpa just said, remember?
Oh, yeah. What about the other bigger group of turkeys?
I don't know. Maybe they flew away. Maybe they flew south for the winter. Just like the antelope.
We found turkeys that are heading straight for us. And we're trying to sneak around to where we're shooting, not towards the buildings.
What are you doing? Okay, bring it over here.
Oh, I see. Yeah, that horse is chasing.
See him?
Yep, I see him. They keep going behind a big tree. Where's the safety? Is the safety off?
Yes, I just took it off for you.
Okay. Ready?
Whenever you're ready, buddy.
Clicked.
Okay, relax. Oh, hold on. Here comes another one. I don't see a beard on that one, buddy. Do you want to shoot that one?
Yeah, I'll shoot it.
Okay, it's up to you. We can get a better position and shoot the other one if you want.
Yeah, that's what I want to do.
Okay,
No, they went behind the tree right away.
he's the one. He's on the right, on the left now.
What the heck? He keeps going behind the tree. It's time to go behind the tree.
Yeah, he's on the left of those two. It's okay. It's okay. That's a hard shot.
I don't see him.
You don't see him?
Oh, I see him.
You see him?
Can you zoom in?
Yeah, you ready?
I don't think that's a turkey, Dad.
I can't tell if it's a tom or not, but it's a turkey. It's up to you, dude. If you want to shoot, shoot. If you don't, we'll just wait. It's no pressure. Just let me know if you're shooting. Okay, I'm on him.
I got him!
Yeah, you got him. Dude, good shot, buddy.
I'm excited.
You hammered him.
There's Grandpa right there. I'm so excited. I can't believe I hit him. I hit him on the edge too.
Dude,
I was on the edge of his
that was a
body.
long ways. Dude.
I got him, turkey. Oh.
Look at his beard.
That's cool.
What do you think?
That's really cool.
What do you think, Camden?
Turkey.
Also, how soft.
You see how soft they are. Wow, isn't that cool?
It's weird how like square their feathers are, unlike most birds. How
Yeah.
like, square on the end. And then
What
how
do you think, Camden?
scaly
Go
his
this way.
legs are.
Wow. Isn't that soft?
Look at his spurs. Are those his spurs?
Yep.
And then feel how squishy his foot is. What the heck?
Should we take some pictures?
Yeah. Why is he more orange down here? See how he's like orange?
I don't know why that is. Guess that's just how he is.
Turkeys are heavy.
Are they as heavy as the elk?
No. That one piece of meat I packed out is probably about as heavy as this turkey.
Cool. Wow. Got a turkey. All right, guys.
Wow, his beak is sharp. It kept poking in the back of my leg.
You want me to carry him for you a little bit?
I'm good.
You good?
We're just gonna say thanks for checking out our video.
And we hope you enjoyed.
And if you did, so go ahead and hit that subscribe button.